Hey guys, this is your boy Arthur Kamba. Well, let me tell you guys, everyone, ma'am and sir, nagkasakit po ang vlogger. Ako po, si Arthur Kamba, nagkasakit po ako. Kaya please pray for me and kumikilit din po yung puso ko. Kaya please na supportahan niyo ako guys. Tsaka, yeah. I'll stay single life muna. Or I'm taken already, so I have a jowa na since May 26. Shout out to my jowa right there. Thank you for support. And by the way, come side days, please Lord help me to find OJT as St. Nicholas College for summer vacation until July. Hopefully I start next week, so let's see. And guys, hit me up if you guys need this TV and electric fan. I need some money. And also this one too. Okay? Hit me up where I can buy the freaking laptop. And also a cell phone. Oh my god. But yeah, let's see. Guys, follow me on YouTube, subscribe, everything. Okay? Latest update is gonna be soon. Today is Thursday. Let's see what can we do. Alright? What can we deal with and what can we do with it? Oh, by the way, I'm sorry to my best friend from my classmate. Daddy, I help because I really am busy. Busy na ako. Pare, sorry. But, mag-iipon din ako para may bayad tayo sa tuition fee sa St. Nicholas College for summer. Good luck, guys. Enjoy your life. Peace.